Your life is as good as your mindset. How to develop a business mindset of a successful energy healer by changing your own mind. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from AwareMultimedia.com. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers and light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, then keep on watching. If you've ever said to yourself, "My life sucks," or something along those lines, you are creating that energy. Stop doing it. I can't express to you how important it is to strive to pay attention to what you're thinking about and saying to yourself, especially when you're on a path in life that's unfamiliar. You've watched enough YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram videos to know that you are what you think and you experience what you focus on most. Think positive, experience positive. Think negative, experience negative. What you focus on is either bringing you closer or away from your desired outcomes. So, what are you focused on? Is it bringing you closer or further away? Comment below. The law of attraction and how the mindset you choose affects your outcome. So how do you develop a business mindset of a successful energy healer? By using the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a spiritual law that can be used to achieve your desires. It is based on the idea that like attracts like. Your thoughts, feelings, words, and actions are all a form of energy which attracts more of the same thing. Your mind has an incredible power to shape reality and what you see in it. Your mindset determines how you will live your life, who you will meet, what you will do, and where you will go. It's scary when you think about it, and just think about all the stuff you've allowed to get in your precious mind. Stay positive and motivated when you're running low on energy. You've heard this before. Take a break, take a walk, read a book, or talk to a friend or someone. Another thing you can do is to think about what you are grateful for. When you start thinking about the things that are going well in your life and writing them down, it helps to shift your mindset and make you feel better. This technique is called gratitude journaling. Another thing that you could do is to think about what you want instead of what you don't want, by using the technique called reframing. For example, when I start to feel down or that I'm not doing enough, I say to myself, do the best you can and leave the rest. Why a positive business mindset is essential for successful entrepreneurs in the spiritual industry. It's essential as a spiritual entrepreneur to have a positive business mindset because it will help you develop the necessary skills and habits to succeed. You can achieve a positive business mindset by following these tips. Number 1, be grateful for what you have and what you are able to do. Not everybody has the same access as you do, so be grateful for what you do have. Number 2, pay attention to how you talk about your business, your customers, and yourself. Whatever you pay attention to or you speak about, you will buy that experience. Number 3, take care of your physical health so that you can be emotionally, mentally, and spiritually healthy as well. And last, believe in yourself, your work, and the value of what you are doing. Make sure you download your copy of the Reiki Demo Kit in the description box below to help you to get started on your marketing. I hope this helps you get started on your way, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Remember to hit that bell for upcoming videos. Thank you, and bye for now.